Emotional Development, prepared by Harold Ocastuera. What is emotion? In psychology, emotion is often defined as a complex state of feeling that result in physical and psychological changes that influence thought and behavior. Emotionally is associated with a range of physiological phenomena including temperament, personality, mood, and motivation. What is emotional development? Emotional development involves learning what feelings and emotions are, understanding how and why they occur, recognizing your own feelings and those of others, and developing effective way for managing those feelings. What is emotional intelligence? Emotional intelligence, otherwise known as emotional quotient or EQ, is ability to understand, use, and manage your own emotion in a positive way to relieve stress, communicate effectively, empathize with others, overcome challenges, and diffuse conflict. 5 Domain of emotional intelligence. Number 1. Knowing one's emotion, self-awareness. People deal with their emotion by either being aware of them, engulfed by them, or accepting of them. Individuals who are aware of their emotion are able to manage their emotion more easily because they are able to recognize that they are feeling a particular emotion at a certain time and are able to reflect on their emotions. Number 2. Managing emotions, self-regulation. Anger is a powerful emotion that builds on itself. Escalating anger is caused by a series of aggravation, resulting in emotional ability to overcome reason. Way in which people manage their anger include reflection on the situation, distraction through a long walk, or exercise and relaxation. Number 3. Motivating oneself. Motivation. Managing one's emotion in order to reach a goal is essential for paying attention, mastery, creativity, and self-motivation. For example, students who are anxiously angered or depressed have difficulty learning. Students who are overwhelmed by worrying before an exam will not be able to perform well because they will be worrying about failing rather than thinking about the exam questions. Number 4. Recognizing emotion in others. Empathy. Empathy, or the ability to perceive the subjective experience of other person, developed from self-awareness. If people are more understanding of their own emotion, they will be more adept in understanding the feeling of others. Number 5. Handling relationships, social skills. While the exchange of emotion between people is often subtitled and virtually unnoticeable, these emotional signals are essential in interpersonal interaction. People who are poor at receiving these cues are prone to problems in the relationship. Individuals who possess interpersonal intelligence are skilled in organizing groups, negotiating solutions, personal connection, and social analysis. Characteristic of emotions. The core of an emotion is feeling. Emotional experiences are associated with some instinct or biological drive. Emotions are the product of perception. Every emotional experience involves several physical and physiological changes in organism. The basic way of expressing emotion are inborn and it's developed through maturation. Emotions rise abruptly and die slowly. Same emotion can be aroused by a number of different stimuli. Emotions have the quality of displacement. Common emotional pattern in childhood: fear, anger, jealousy, grief, curiosity, joy, pleasure, and delight. Kinds of emotions. Positive emotions. Pleasant emotions which are helpful and essential to the normal development of individual are termed as positive emotion. Example, love, amusement, curiosity, joy, and etc. Negative emotion. Unpleasant emotion which are harmful to the individual development are termed as negative emotion. Example, fear, anger, jealousy, guilt, and etc. How the emotions develop. As Spitz 1949 has observed, emotions are not present ready-made from birth. Like any other sector of the human personality, they have to develop. Number 1, maturation. 2, learning. Stages of emotion development. During infancy, during childhood, during adolescence, during adulthood. Bridge chart. It is a chart proposed by K.M. Bridge in 1931. It shows the scheme of emotional development in children. In the chart, she gives an account of approximate age at which the different emotions appear first. Now, we can see the bridge chart. During infancy. According to her, newborn infants have no differentiated emotional response but show only a generalized excitement. By this, she means that a specific reaction, even as responses to strong stimuli, cannot be detected during the first week. Only very generalized uncontrolled muscle reaction can be observed. This stage is over in a very short time. At 3 months, excitement develops into distress and delight. In this distress, domain more. At 6 months, the negative emotion take the lead and distress develop into fear, disgust, and anger. At the 12 months, negative emotion enter in the field and delight is differentiated into elation and affection. At 18 months, jealousy develop from distress and affection, differential into affection for adults and affection for children. During childhood. Early childhood, 2 to 5 years, 3 to 6 years. At 24 months, delight was further differentiated and joy appears. And at 5 years, 60 months, fear is again differentiated into disappointment and envy. From delight, hope is again differentiated. Factor affecting childish emotionality. Health and physical development. The children weak in somatic structure or suffering from illness are more emotionally upset and unstable than children having better health. Intelligence. An intelligent person with his reasoning and thinking power exercise control according to the situation and make proper use of their emotion. Family. Where the cordial atmosphere prevailed at home, children develop positive emotion. The size of the family, socio-economic status of the family, parental attitude, etc. also influence the emotional development of children. School atmosphere. The healthy and conducive atmosphere of the school always result in balanced emotional development of children.